Welcome to the multimodal AI shopping revolution. Artificial intelligence is changing how you shop by providing new, innovative tools to find the best products and deals. Multimodal AI lets your phone's camera scan any product, and the AI instantly finds all related product data online. This means you can stop typing keywords. Multimodal AI processes visual data, like an image from your camera, and combines it instantly with textual data from online listings and reviews. When you point the camera at a product, the AI analyzes the image and then cross-references it with online listings to show you prices and reviews. Different AI tools specialize in different areas. Google Lens compares prices, Amazon Lens checks the Amazon ecosystem, Vetted AI analyzes reviews, and Pinterest Lens finds aesthetic inspiration. Google Lens compares prices across various retailers. Simply tap the camera icon in the Google app and scan the product to find different retailers and price points. Amazon Lens checks for deals within the Amazon ecosystem. Tap the Lens icon in the Amazon app, and you can stay within the app to find product information. Vetted AI acts as your personal shopping agent. It summarizes expert product reviews and monitors price history to help you make informed buying decisions. Pinterest Lens finds aesthetically similar items. Scan home decor or fashion, and the app suggests visually similar items from different brands and retailers. You can use this technology to find a lower price online while you're in a store. Then, you can show the store manager to request a price match. When stores display sales, you can scan the barcode with an AI tool to verify the standard price and ensure you're getting a genuine deal, not a fake sale. While standing in the aisle, you can instantly pull up one-star reviews to quickly identify and avoid purchasing defective products based on other users' experiences. Your phone is now a powerful tool, transformed by AI. It empowers you to shop smarter, faster, and with more confidence today.